Hello, Police the Best for UK here, and welcome to today's Game a Day video. Every day, November 2019, a different Atari ST game on my channel. So I'm using a basic 520 STFM model to do these videos. So this is Switchblade by Core Design and Gremlin. I first played this game on a demo on a Crash Magazine power tape on the ZX Spectrum. I've never played the Atari ST version, so let's have a look. Let's start the game. For 10,000 years he slept. His mind, it goes too quick, I can't read it that fast. Just skip through then. So as you can see, this is Switchblade. So yeah, there's some great music going on in the background. Can I punch him? Right. Oh, you fuck. What the fuck? See if I can jump past him. Oh, let's just keep going. So the game seems to have a bit of atmosphere to it. These are bloody a nuisance though. Some great music. I'm loving this music. The AY sound chip certainly did have a unique sound to it. Yeah, the music's excellent. Right, here we go. So yeah, the game does seem to have a sort of atmosphere to it. So I've fallen down this underground bit now. Can you actually do something about these? So you can kick, you can... There we go. How did I do that? Okay, yeah, so the world opens up as you progress. Oh, you fuck, you just knocked me right down. Can't you pick these up? I'm not sure if you can pick them up, to be honest. But I like the look of this guy. Oh shit. So I'm not sure how to get these baddies. Punch them. Oh, you fuck! So, yeah. Let's just run away and go down this ladder. So progress on. Oh, not you again. Oh, I got him. There's got to be a knack to get in them baddies. Can you pick that up? No, I don't think you can. Here we go. Oh, he just knocked me right down. Booner. Yeah, I got him. Can you climb up? No, you can't. Not sure where I'm supposed to be going. I do love that music. I can't get over how good that music is. Ah! Just opened a bit of the scenery. But the thing is... Ah, there we go. So if you hold down fire, it does that. Okay, so if you do it to halfway, it does a kick, and if you do it all the way, it does a down kick. Okay, yeah, I think I understand that now. Oh, game over. So yeah, it's not the easiest game in the world. I think I understand the premise now. Hold down the fire button, your bonus goes across at the top bottom right. If it's a full meter, it does a down kick, and if it's half meter, it does a kick, a normal kick. Let's try that on this. Ah, I think I understand it a bit more now. I did actually play this game on Spectrum years ago, but I can't remember that part of it. There we go, yeah. Looking a bit better there. So you've got to strategically place yourself so you can recharge that bonus meter, not like I just did there. There we go. I didn't give myself enough time then. Have some of that. Too late, you gotta get your timing right as well. There we go. Music is superb. I'm loving this music. There we go. Let's continue on. I'm back down here again. Can't go up, so we must go down. There we go. Kick the platform to progress on. Well, not you again. There we go. Oh shit. Have some of that. So you can actually punch this, can't you? No, it wasn't that way, was it? It was back down here. Here we go, progressing on. You bitch. Have some of that. Okay, progress on. Not you again. Oh, there's two of them. Have that. So progress on. Oh, for fuck's sake. Have that. So yeah, the way you get the baddies is quite unique on this game. It's a bit unusual. Can be tricky at times. Have that. Progress on. As you can see, it's a pretty big world. Give us some points. Leg it. Keep on going. Oh shit. A new guy I haven't saw before. Let's just leg it. Have that. So yeah, with progress on. Graphics are very nice, nicely drawn, nice detail to the walls and stuff and the scenery. I like the way the map opens up as you progress as well, that's quite cool. Let's go down here. So yeah, this should keep you occupied for hours on end. Boona. Have some of that. Ah. Shit, I'm trapped. Game over. Yeah, so that's Switchblade on the Atari ST, an interesting game actually. It's got a certain amount of atmosphere to it and it's got some absolutely fantastic music, as I kept saying in the video. And yeah, I'm going to give that 9 out of 10. Excellent, superb. Thank you for watching. Goodbye!